All right, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the Deepvue tutorial. Today I'll be showcasing a new feature in Deepvue which allows you to search by theme or search by keywords. And basically what this does is it allows you to identify stocks that incorporate certain phrases or words into their description. Basically, what do they do? What is their products? What do they talk about in their earnings reports? What gets talked about in news catalysts, news headlines about them? This is really powerful. Say you want to dive in deeper into the data center theme, all you'd have to do is go ahead over to the screener, create a new screen, and let's go ahead and edit the filters. First, we're actually going to add just some quality filters, some liquidity. Let's make sure the last price is over 15, and let's do average dollar volume, or just do dollar volume, average 20-day, and make that over 20 million. Now what we're going to do is use the new search by theme. So let's do search by theme. And let's go ahead and type in data center. Press enter. And now we got 42 stocks that explicitly are part of that theme. So of course we've got NVIDIA in here. We've got Marvel. But then each of these stocks are also related to that data center theme. So this is very, very cool. And again, what this basically helps you do is identify stocks that are moving based on a particular news item or theme, right? Which is the whole name of the game. Market wizards going back in history, going back 100+ years, we're using this to identify the leading stocks in the leading themes. So one more example, let's say we don't want to do data center. Let's instead do nuclear energy. Type in that, and we come up with all these right here. So very, very powerful. I'm really looking forward to seeing the use cases and workflows that you guys come up with to use this. And let me know your thoughts and any requests down below for Deepvue. And if you haven't already checked this out, go ahead over to deepvue.com and check out the deals over there. All right, thanks so much. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.